Hey guys, today we will talk about top 5 ESL companies in the Philippines. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is May and I upload videos on how to make money online. So please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. Also, please don't skip because at the end of this video, I will be sharing 5 tips on how you can pass your interview. So, let's get started. The first in our list is Funny Edu. For interested applicants, you must submit an application through their website, or you can directly contact one of their personnel at Skype and then let them know you're interested to apply. For the requirements, they will need a neutral accent, teaching experience is preferred, and a bachelor degree or above. For the equipments, you need to have a laptop or desktop, a fast internet connection, and an audio-video capability. For the rate, they will pay $3 up to $5 an hour, pays every 8th of the month, that is through BDO savings account. The second company is called Say ABC. So if you're interested, you can sign up via their official website and then you will have a live interview or a self-recorded interview around 30 minutes, which will contain a 15-minute demo class. So you will also have an evaluation class for 40 minutes and then you will sign your consulting agreement. The requirements are neutral accent, teaching experience is preferred, also teaching certificates are required, and you need to have a bachelor degree or above. The equipments are just the same. You need a laptop, desktop, fast internet connection, audio and video capability. And for the rate, you can earn up to $17 per 40 minutes class, and the pay is every 15th through wire transfer. The third on our list is called italki. So you need to submit an application via their official website. Once pre-approved, you will need to complete the following steps. You need to upload your IDs like passport, ID card, driving license or residence permit. You will need to watch success videos, download and read teacher handbook, answer a quiz, and fill in a survey. And then you will need to book a group video call with italki Teacher Services. It's an onboarding video call for new teachers. So, the requirements are neutral accent. You need to have teaching certificates, but they don't require any experience at all. For the equipments, you need a laptop or desktop, a fast internet connection, and audio or video capability. And for the rate, they will pay $5 per hour, that is through PayPal or Payoneer. The fourth company in our list is called First Future Education. You need to submit your application through their website. Once pre-qualified, you can book an interview. That will be a 25-minute interview and you will conduct a short mock class. And then once you passed, you will be evaluated and you will be assigned to a specific group of teachers that perfectly fits you. The requirements are still neutral accent, and they prefer if you have a teaching experience. Also, teaching certificates are required, and you need a bachelor degree or above. The equipments are just the same: a laptop or desktop, fast internet connection, and an audio-video capability. For the rate, it will be 140 to 180 pesos per hour class. And then the pay is every 10th of the month. That's through PayPal, Payoneer, or local bank transfer. Alright, so the fifth one in our list is called Ingo. So for the application, you need to create an account and register your basic personal information on their website. So you will also undergo an English or internet connection test, and then you will complete the training and complete a demo lesson. So let's talk about the requirements. They will need a neutral accent, though they will not require any teaching certificates. Also, no experience needed. For the equipments, it's just the same: laptop or desktop, fast internet connection, audio and video capability, and for the rate, they will pay $2.08 up to $10 an hour, and the pay is every 20th of the month. It's through PayPal or Payoneer. So here are some of my tips for you guys so you can pass your interview. First, you need to be always confident. Second, you need to make your answers short and simple. Third, you need to speak clearly. Fourth, you need to speak naturally. Don't overdo it. And most importantly, you need to be prepared. And hopefully, these tips will work for you guys, and good luck to your application. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!